Fourth lesson of this course, Guide to Joomla 5. In the content menu, we have articles, categories, fields, media, admin and side modules, all the things you need to build your content. The article list is used to find, mark, featured, add, and edit articles. Articles are the basic units of information in the content system and the bottom level in the content hierarchy. Each article is in exactly one category. So by going to new button, I am going to create a new article which can also be a web page of our website. So I am going to create an about us or contact us page. I have to give the title, leave the alias empty, and in the article text, and after that we have status, category, and article can be categorized. Either this will be a featured, yes or no, and access level languages. As you know, we have a multilingual website, so I can also point this article or web page to a particular language. And we have tags and any particular note related to this article. Next we have images and links. You can use this information to show images. Let's say you want to display this article in blog, and you have to show image and title of article in the main blog page. You can set the intro image, and the full article image. We have publishing tab in which we set the metadata used for SEO of website, publishing dates, and association. uh, this is used for the multilingual purposes. So back to content. So I am going to save and close. Now our new article has been created, and its alias contact dash us is already automatically created. Next we have the column headers. The checkbox. Check this box to select articles. To select all articles, check the box in the column heading. After boxes are checked, the toolbar button actions get active. You can change the order of an article within a list as follows. Select the ordering icon in the list heading to make it active. Select one of the three dots icon and drag it up or down to change the position of that row in the list, like that. Click, uh, Click the icon to toggle between the featured and unfeatured articles. Similarly, we can sort all the columns. Near the top of the page, you will see the search bar. Search by text, enter the part of the search term and click on this icon. To search by ID of article, we can use this syntax which is being shown in the this tooltip. We have some filter options. Under the filter option, we have several filter options: featured, search by status, categories, access level, others, max level, tags, and languages. We can also sort table by these different options. And lastly, we have pagination. Next, we have our categories. Think of categories as like a folder in which many files can reside. So, in one category, we can have many articles. Here in the list, under the tick icon, we have publish item in this category. When I click on it, it will take me to the article list with the automatically searched by uncategorized category and showing the published article. And when I click on the unpublished item, it will take me to the uncategorized category showing the unpublished item which are currently zero. Similarly, we have archived items and traced item numbers here. Feature article, we can set any number of article to featured as I showed while creating the article and which is actually being used for the home page. If I select any article or select all the article, in the action button we have publish, unpublish, set article as featured, unfeatured, archive, or check in. What is check in? Check in if any article is being edited by one user and other admin comes. See that there is a icon beside the article title. It tells that this article is being edited by any other admin level user. So he can select from the action and check in, and this will be checked, and this can be edited directly now. In the action, we have trash, and lastly, we have batch. What is batch? Let me show you. By clicking on the batch, we have a pop up in which we can perform four actions. Either we can change the language of articles, set the access level, copy or move to category, and add any existing tags. And after that, we will click on the proceed. Next, we have fields. Fields are used to display additional attributes of article, contacts, and users. The data are entered in the backend and displayed in the front end. For example, I want to show a phone number in the contact us page article that I just created. So I will create a new field. I will give some title. We have several different type of fields. Then we have label, description, required, and default value. All the fields are optional. Only the type is the required field. Then we have status and field groups. If we have created any field group, think of field group as like category in the articles. We have articles category. We have article category here, access level, and language if this field is specific to any language. and then I will save and close. So once a field is created, back to the article list, and by editing that article, I will go to the fields tab, will populate this field, save the article, view the front page, and this field is being shown as a part of that article. So that's a powerful feature of Joomla, which I don't see in other CMS like WordPress. They always use third-party plugin to have this to have such information. Next, we have field groups. Think of field group same as like article categories. Next, we have Media Manager. The Media Manager is a tool for managing files in the folder and other user-defined local folders. Tools available include upload a new image, delete an existing image, rename an image, edit an image, get an image link, create a new folder. Under the local, this area shows the structure of the local folder of your website. By default, the images folder. The currently selected folder is also shown in the breadcrumbs above the image display area. So if I go to upload, it will open a pop-up from where I can select image or select more than one image by pressing the shift button on keyboard and click on the open. It will upload and the image is being uploaded in the images folder of your website. If I click on the inner folder, it will show me the images available in the inner folder. We have a search facility, we have zooming facility, we have also display mode facility, and we have information about that image selected facility. We have also sorting facility. If I hover over the image, I have three dotted icon which is used to manage that item. By clicking on that, we can preview the image, download the image, rename and edit the image. We have nice editor here. By using data editor, we can set the quality, we can crop the image, resize the image, rotate the image. After that, we can save and close or reset the values. We have a get link to that image. If I click on the get link, I have an icon to copy the link of that image, and I can press the Ctrl C to copy the path, and we can use the Ctrl V to paste this path anywhere we need to use it. And lastly, we have a delete option. Next, we have a site module. This is also a very powerful feature of Joomla which is not available in the WordPress. In the Joomla, in the front end, we have templates, and it is very easy to locate the area of template part. The sidebars being used in the WordPress are difficult to recognize, edit, and code. While with the Joomla, it is very good structured. In the very top, we can have, or in the bottom, we can have the modules. Those part which are part of the web page are called the modules, and the main page, main body of web page is called component. So right here, the articles are component, and this login form, language selector, menu, and top header, and the this breadcrumb or modules. By going to the new module, we have several module type to select from. We have a type of custom module. This module allows you to create your own module using the editor. When I click on plus icon and give the title some information, I am using the dummy data just to show you how to create the module and assign it to the template positions. We have either to show this title in the module or not, and select the position. This is again a powerful feature of the Joomla template, which is again not in the I did not see in the WordPress. The templates are broken in the positions. If I go to the template option, by default preview module position are set to disabled, and if I enable it, save and close it, and go to the front end and write the question mark tp is equal to 1, it will show me all the position of the modules that I can set this module to, that I am going to just create. I have position side left bar and sidebar right, sidebar left. So I am going to put this new module to sidebar left, and we have the menu assignment either to show the this module to all website or to the now no pages, or to any only on the selected page or on the pages except those selected. So I am going to use this module for all the pages. In the option we have some extra information. In the advance we can set the css class for the module. We can set the caching time and module tags, wrappers, and bootstrap size, header tag, header class, and module size styles. I'm going to set the HTML5 so the title is being shown. Finally, click on the save. So I am on the same screen. Now back to the front end. This module is being shown. So see how easy it is. By using the module, we can structure the website very easily, and this is perhaps easiest Joomla feature which is not available in other CMS bloggers like WordPress, Drupal. Similarly, these were the side modules. Similarly, we have the administrator module, which is being used in the administrator area. Now about the top sorting, searching, and new and action icon. These are all same actions button search which is being told you in the articles. So up to here we have learned how to create article, their categories, and set the article to featured, to create custom fields, what is the media manager, and the finally modules. Stay connected for the next tutorial and we will move to complete our website.